In this video, we're going to start looking at the normalisation process. So normalisation refers to setting up our data in a way which maximises efficiency, minimises redundancy, and there's three stages to this, what we call normal forms. So we've got first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form. So we're going to go through each one. In this video, we'll focus on the first normal form. And the first normal form is assuring that for every attribute we have in our class diagram, or if we're talking about our tables in our ERDs, referring to the fields, that each attribute or field only contains a single bit of data. So for example, the publisher, the name is just going to be the name of the publisher. The email is also just going to be the email address for the publishing house. With the book, the title is going to be the title. Author is just who the author is. Price is just the price. So probably where this one comes up in this example is the shipping address. All right. So if you think about the shipping address, it contains things like the street name, the suburb, the postcode. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be street address. It could be like PO box. But you have the actual address, you have the suburb, you have the postcode. We're not going to assume international at this stage, so we'll just stick to those three for the time being. So what we want to do is we can change this a bit. So instead of shipping address, I'm just going to call this one address line 1. So that's your PO boxes, that sort of thing is covered there. We're then going to have our suburb and our postcode, if I can spell. So I guess if it's upsetting having them all separate, you can always shuffle the order around. I know I didn't talk about this in the previous video, but using the up and down arrows, it's pretty intuitive. And with the customer, we've probably got the same situation again. So having the address, we can break it up into those three parts. So we'll put them in suburb and postcode. We'll just bump them up so they're in the same area. All right, so once we've got to this stage where we can go through and everything should have a single value for the attribute, we've achieved first normal form.